sequence and series. Okay, just write down the topic sequence and series.
Okay.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, my method of teaching is like we'll be dealing with concepts in the class. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, and we'll be solving a few questions based on those concepts. Okay,
Okay.
and few questions I'll give you as your homework. Okay, so that we can practice at home, and then when come in the next class, we can discuss those questions. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I'd like to tell anywhere if you feel doubts, no, it's not only about the class. Anywhere else, if you face doubt in mathematics, you can ask me, or science
Okay.
also.
Yeah.
Okay, don't hesitate to ask like doubts. If you ask me more and more doubts, it will be nicer for you. Okay,
Okay.
so try to ask more doubts, even if it is silly or something. Don't hesitate to ask. That's why I'm here. Okay. Okay. So sequence and series. First of all, and my method of teaching is like I'll start from very basics and I'll take you to the higher standard only. Okay, so don't worry about that. So sequence and series, there are two words. First one is sequence, second one is series. Can you tell me what is sequence and what is series? Is there any difference between them?
Um, I guess a sequence is like a pattern or something, like a sequence of things.
Yes, it's a pattern. Very good.
Yeah.
And what about series?
A series is like,
Okay, no problem.
it's like it's like a
Yeah,
number of things, I guess, or like or some sort
no,
of ratio.
no. See, sequence is a pattern of numbers. Okay, suppose if I write 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on. Can you see what is this pattern here? The, the number is getting added 3. There is a common difference 3. So if you add 2 plus 3, it's 5. 5 plus 3, it's 8. 8 plus 3, it's 11.
Yeah.
And then again 3. So this is a sequence of numbers. This is a sequence of numbers.
Okay.
And if we take this sequence and if we add all the numbers in the sequence, plus so on, plus whatever numbers are there in the series, in the sequence, it will become a series. So series is basically the summation or the addition.
Okay.
It's an addition or summation. Okay. Now there are different types of sequences. Okay. Okay, there are different types of sequences and we have to study a few of them. Okay. The first one is going to be, first tell me you understood the difference between series and sequence. It's easy.
Yes.
So the first one is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. The second one is geometric progression. In the short form, it is written as AP. The second one is geometric progression. That is GP. And the third one is harmonic progression.
Yeah.
And this acronym is HP. Okay, simple. Okay, just write down this. Just write down till here in a notebook. Are you copying, Nikhil?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Okay, just copy it first and then tell me once you're done.
The last one's harmonic. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's harmonic.
Okay. Okay. I got everything.
Okay. So do you have you ever heard this arithmetic progression or geometric or harmonic?
No.
Have you? No. Okay. Nice. So first of all, we'll see arithmetic progression. So our first topic is arithmetic progression. Now we'll understand with an example. Okay, suppose the example that we have seen earlier, the numbers starting with 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, and so on, in which there is a common difference between each succeeding and preceding number. Can you see? There is a difference of 3 here, there is a difference of 3 here, there is a difference of 3 here, and 3. This following the same term. So if a sequence is having a common difference, or if the subtraction of its preceding term and succeeding term is same everywhere, then it's an arithmetic progression. Okay. Are you with me, Nikhil?
Yes.
Okay. So you got what is arithmetic progression basically? There should be a common difference. The difference should be common. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me what will be the next term in this sequence after 17?
It would be 20.
It will be 20. Very good. And then 23 and so on. Okay. So what we can see, there is a common difference.
Yeah.
There is a common. Now, this difference can be positive also. This difference can be negative also.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose if I tell you 32, 30, 28, 26. Can you tell me what is the common difference?
A -2.
Negative 2. Very good. So here the common difference is 3. Here the common difference is negative. So generally we denote common difference as D. Simple. In simple words, we denote common difference as D. Okay. And also the first term of the sequence is denoted by A. The first term is denoted by A. So here in the first sequence it is 2, and here the A is 30. What is the A here in the second sequence? Nikhil, are you with me, Nikhil?
You said 8. Yeah.
Yeah, what is the first term in the second sequence?
The first term in the second sequence, you said 8. A equals 2.
In the second sequence, I'm asking. This one is the first one. This is the second.
32? Or
32. Okay, so arithmetic progression, you understood. The notations of first term and common difference you understood. Okay. Now if I tell you, if I give you one sequence, that is 2, 6, 10, and so on. And if I tell you to find out its seventh term, can you calculate its seventh term?
Yeah.
Tell me what will be its seventh term.
It would be 26.
26, yeah. But this is nearby, that's why you calculated. If I ask you what is the 30th term, it will be going to be a very long sequence. Okay, and it will be very calculative, right?
Yeah.
So there is a formula for calculating its nth term or any term. There is a formula.